I'm going to show you another look with the cape and I'll be back. Is that how I say it? Okay, so I'm showing you the Lousje cape that we have produced in the last month, and we're excited about it. It's a great look. It's the sculpted edges are make it so feminine and frilly, and I love the knit. It's a very soft, beautiful blend. And the scarf is separate. I'm wearing the scarf and the cape together. We sell the scarves separate, so you have a choice. But the cape is this design that you know so well. You can wrap it like that, you can let it hang like that, and it covers your shoulders. It's lovely. I have one on my chair in the studio, and when I get chilled, I wrap myself in it and I feel very cozy, comfy. So the scarf is a nice dimension though. Again, it's got all the layers, sculpted edges that make it so interesting. It's of course a one size fits all because it's a cape. I have it on with the Liverpool shirt, the white shirt. I love this shirt. I have one. It washes beautiful, ladies, by the way. No iron, which is great. I have quite a few white shirts in my closet, but I do have to iron them, so this is my favorite shirt from now on. And I'm wearing it with black jeans from Liverpool that we just got in. These fit like a dream. They feel like a dream. So these are the high-rise 2 buttons. And a great comfy fit. It's the high rise that makes it so comfortable. So I'm wearing a size 6, which fits me nice. Lots of stretch, lots of movements. I can do my my crunches in it, and yeah, it's good. It feels like yoga pants on actually. So this is the yeah, this is the cape. I'm wearing the Ciriclio necklace, which I love this one. It's one of my favorites. Okay, another look with our cape, and just to show you a very simple black outfit. I'm wearing the Liverpool jeans, the 2-button high waist, and I'm wearing a top from Dolcezza line, which has got a really nice neckline actually. I will show it to you later. But very simple look. This amazing cape, the color, I love this color. Again, pastel tints for women our age is lovely. Really softens you, soften the skin. And the feel of this is so lovely and cozy. And yeah, it's a great winter, spring, fall look. So this is also a nice look with just a cape. And then this is the neckline of the Dolcezza basic black t-shirt. The fabric is lovely. It's a viscose blend, and I really like this top actually. I'm wearing the long tank underneath just to give it an extra dimension. And the Dolcezza top is a small. The jeans are a size 6, and the long tank is a small as well. Thank you. I hope you got inspired by the cape video. Have a great day. Be safe. See you soon, ladies.